Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Let's Articulate. So, what we are looking at today is yesterday's continuation topic, difference between WHERE and WERE. Now, these are the places where we predominantly go wrong. We might not go wrong when we are speaking because both of them sound the same, but when we write, yes, we do make mistakes. So, I don't know how many of you agree with me, but let's look into this. All right. Now, so if you are asked how words WHERE and WERE are different from one another, how will you respond to this? Now, like WHERE and WERE, there are so many such words in English that really confuses us. Okay, the reason is such words are pretty similar. When we speak, these words sound so similar, and that's why we make mistakes. All right. Now, let's first understand in the summary of where and where. The word WHERE is used to ask question, where are you? Okay, it talks about a person's location, position, place related, or it is person related. Now this is an adverb as well as a conjunction. Now, can you say where Mr. Sam lives? Okay, so you are asking about where Sam is living. WERE on the other hand, it's a tense form. Okay, so it is used as a verb. Children were playing in the park. Now see the difference. Can you say where Mr. Sam lives? Where Mr. Sam lives? The children were playing in the park. Now, this table shows that where, WHERE, and were might sound the same, but they can never be treated the same. Okay, because you cannot even interchange. Now, let us say you wrote a sentence like this. Can you say WERE? Mr. Sam lives. No, that sentence does not make a mistake. So you cannot even interchange these words. Okay. Now, this table must also be able to give you a clear idea that these two words are used in two different places with on a different context. Okay. Now, if you ask someone who does not know the difference between where and were, they might say that it's just an extra word. How does that make a difference? But apart from this literal observation, the significance here is there is a significant difference between these two words. When you use the word where, WHERE, it is usually used as an adverb and is used to ask questions, directions, locations. Where is also used to inquire, like where are you right now? Your mother calls you on the phone, where are you right now when you reach home late? Okay, do you know where the bus stop is? So you're asking something here. Okay, it can also be used as conjunction that connects a dependent clause to an independent clause. Like example, I live where the mountains end. Okay, so you're connecting these two sentences. Okay, the word WERE, however, is generally used with plural objects. Okay, the word you is a past from the word be. Okay, you were at the party last night. Once the students grasp the difference between these two words, you will be able to understand how simple it was and what a silly mistake did you do earlier. All right. So now moving ahead, some of the examples. Let's look into some of the examples. WHERE. Where is the local market located? Study where you want to enjoy. So you are asking the student to be in a university, college, or a school where you feel that you need to enjoy or you want to enjoy. Now you were going to the market yesterday, so I met you there and I noticed that you were going to the market. The students were punished for shouting. Okay, so these are the differences. Look at the differences, where and where. Now once you understand the difference, you will understand that this is easier to apply for different contexts, so you don't need to strain yourself so much, and you will understand where to use which one. ஸோ WERE இது எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, நீங்க ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்குறப்போ, ஒருத்தர்கிட்ட அவங்களோட லொகேஷன் கேட்குறப்போ, இல்ல யாராச்சும் கால் பண்ணி உங்ககிட்ட லொகேஷன் கேட்குறப்போ, அந்த மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷன்ல நீங்க வந்து WHERE யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க. Where is the local market located? ஸ்டடி வே யூ வாண்ட் டு என்ஜாய். நீங்க எங்க படிக்கணும்னா, எங்க நீங்க சந்தோஷமா இருப்பீங்களோ அங்க படிங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்ல வரீங்க. WERE. நான் இது WERE எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க? வேர் ஓகே, இது வந்து எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க அப்படின்னா, நீங்க வந்து ஒரு இன்கொயரி பண்றப்போ அந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க. இந்த டேபிள கவனிச்சிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஆஸ் அ plural past tense form. Okay, the children were playing in the park. ஓகே, ஸோ இது வந்து ஒரு என்கொயரிக்கான பதில் நீங்க சொல்வீங்க. வேர் ஆர் யூ அப்படின்னு உங்க அம்மா கேட்குறப்போ, அந்த வேர் ஆர் யூ, வாட் இஸ் த ஸ்பெல்லிங் தேர்? WHERE. இட்ஸ் நாட் WERE. ஆல் ரைட், ஓகே. இப்போ லெட்ஸ் கோ டு WERE. The students were punished for shouting. Okay, you were going to the market yesterday. ஓகே, நான் உங்களை நேற்று மார்க்கெட்ல பார்த்தேன், நீங்க மார்க்கெட் போயிட்டு இருந்தீங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நீங்க சொல்ல வரீங்க. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರ್ WHERE ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ WERE ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ವೇರ್ WHERE ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ವಿಚಾರಿಸುವಾಗ, ಒಂದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವಿಚಾರಿಸುವಾಗ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು ವಿಚಾರಿಸುವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ವರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು? ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ ವೇರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಿವ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರದ್ದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್? ಸ್ಟಡಿ ವೇರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೈ ಡು ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್? ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಬೇಗ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಮರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು WERE. The students were punished for shouting. Why were the students punished? They were punished because they were shouting. What were they doing? Were, WERE. You were going to market yesterday. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ you were going to the market yesterday. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ WHERE ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ WERE ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಿನಾನಿಮಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ WHERE ಹಾಕಿದ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ WERE ಹಾಕಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಚೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಚೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ டு ஒர்க் அவுட். இந்த ரெண்டுமே இன்டர்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணவே முடியாது. Now some more examples. Let's look into some more examples for WHERE. Where did you leave your keys? The keys are missing right now, hence where did you leave them? This is the park where we used to play as kids. So you're showing the park to someone and you're telling this is the park where we used to play as kids. Do you know where the nearest grocery store is? Do you know where? You're asking for a location. Grocery store is the location. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ஃபைண்ட் அ பிளேஸ் வேர் ஐ கேன் ஸ்டடி இன் ப்ளீஸ். எனக்கு ஒரு நிம்மதியா உட்காந்து படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு இடம் வேணும். She couldn't remember where she had seen him before. அவங்க சொல்றாங்க that அவங்கள இன்னொருத்தரை எங்கேயோ பார்த்திருக்காங்கன்னு, பட் அவங்கனால ரீகால் பண்ண முடியல. அவங்கள எங்க பார்த்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரீகால் பண்ண முடியல. So these are the examples for word. WHERE. Let me read this sentence one more time for you. Please listen to them carefully. So also let me give you a tip here. The more you practice, don't get deeply into understanding what the grammar is all about. Instead, please focus on repeating correct grammatical sentences. You will become a natural speaker, and you will understand what comes where. It's a natural process, trust me. Okay, where did you leave your keys? This is the park where we used to play as kids. This is the park where we used to play as kids. Do you know where the nearest grocery store is? I need to find a place where I can study in peace. She couldn't remember where she had seen him before. So this entire sample sentence is about WHERE, where you are asking for something. You asked for location, you are searching your key, you are showing the park where you used to play as a kid, etc. All right, now let us look into WERE. Now, WERE. They were happy to see each other after so many years. Okay, so இங்க என்ன சொல்ல வரும்? They were happy. They were happy. அவங்க state of mind. You're describing their state of being right now. Okay, they were happy to see each other after so many years. If I were you, I would take that job offer. நான் உன் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்தா I would immediately take that job offer. If we were planning to go on a trip next month, okay, ನಾವು next month ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು, ನಾವು ವಿ ವೇರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೇನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ನೋಡುವ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡುವ, ಆ ಥರದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. The cookies were still warm from the oven. Okay, so ಈ ಕುಕೀಸ್ ಅವೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ವರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೀಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಲೀಗಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಲೀಗ್ ಆಡುವಾಗ ಅವರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. Okay, so let me repeat these sentences for you. Let me reiterate one more thing. Instead of focusing on what grammar is all about, instead of studying what nouns and adverbs are, focus on reading sentences that are grammatically correct. This will help you improve your grammar, your spoken part naturally. Okay, you will become a natural speaker. All right, now let me describe or repeat the sentences that go with WERE. They were happy to see each other after so many years. If I were you, I would take that job offer. We were planning to go on a trip next month. The cookies were still warm from the oven. They were the best team in the league last year. All right. So today we described, understood what was the difference between where and were. Okay. So what I want you to do is go back to your Gemba or your workstation, sit and think. Do you ever make mistakes with these two words? Do you interchange them? Do you place them in the wrong place? Okay. Now sit back, practice these sentences. These sentences will be sent to you as assessments just for practicing. There is no quiz involved today. So these sentences will be pasted in your WhatsApp group and your DC live chat box. Okay, it was wonderful connecting with you all today. We'll get back to you with one more interesting topic tomorrow. So until then, it's bye from all of us. Take care.